Hi, Stefan the BMW DIY guy. My project today, I could not be more excited to do this. I'm going to be installing the Active Auto Work Performance Midpipe in an absolutely gorgeous 2018 F80 M3. This is an upgrade you should absolutely consider for your car. The difference that this is going to make, not only in performance and sound, is going to be dramatic. This is an easy install. It's not hard. It's something you can do at home really pretty simply and with some real simple tools. I'm going to lay that out really nicely for you and you can see how it's going to be done. Really quickly, please click subscribe. Please click the little alarm bell next to it so you can see all the notifications from upcoming videos, and I've got a lot of projects in the pipeline just like this one. So I'm really excited to get out to the garage, get this install started, and show you how to do this yourself. All right, here we are out in the garage. We have a gorgeous M3 that we're going to work on this morning and install this Active Auto Work Midpipe. It's up on the quick jacks, which really are fantastic. If you haven't had a chance to watch my quick jack video yet, definitely check that out. Nothing like sliding the rails underneath and hitting the button, and it's 22, 23 inches in the air just seconds later, so all good to go. So I'm going to crawl underneath the car. I'm going to show the exhaust and the parts that we're going to adjust and take off as we go through.